Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to check if someone is using your computer or not. Now I'm going to demonstrate a software named Last Activity View. This software helps you to find your previous computer activities. To download the software, go to your web browser. Then write and search the Last Activity View. Click on the first link. Go down and click the link to the Last Activity View. You can easily find the download link. After downloading, run the file. You will find this interface. Now I am going to check when I shut down my computer and started it again. I am going down and finding the shutdown and logon options. I found it. Here shows the time of system shutdown and the time of logon. If you are not sure that you have logged on at that time, check for the activities that you have done after logon. Here you can find the time. I opened Firefox and Chrome browser. You can also find the time when I entered on a hard disk drive and which folder I accessed. You can easily find which program I opened. Now I go to Drive D and open an audio. After that, back to the software and refresh the page. It will take some time. Now that the software has been updated its time, you can see that the audio file that I accessed some moments ago has been added to the software. So, you can easily check who accessed your computer when you are absent and what types of files he or she accessed at that time. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching the full video.